O, ngayong araw ng Lunes dyan sa 15-1 Toto, Pitsa 9. O, ngayong umaga, 10 to 25 na southwest topic. Mamayang tanghali hanggang gabi, 23 to 42 na southwest to traffic. Bukas, Pitsa 10, Martes, 20 to 42 na southwest to 40. Yung topic niya sa gabi ba yun? Pitsa 11, Miyerkules, 10 to 27 na west-northwest to traffic. Pitsa 12, Huwebes, 15 to 37 na northwest traffic. Pitsa 13, Biyernes, 15 to 32 na northeast sa umaga, mag-southeast at ang hapon na 4 Pitsa 14, Sabado, 5 to 15 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 15, Linggo, 10 to 22 na northwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 16, Lunes, 10 to 23 na west-northwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 17, Martes, 15 to 31 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. At Pitsa 18, Miyerkules, 40 to 16 na southwest, 6 to 8 feet. Nakopya may kong road curve sa is dahil sa 15-1 Toto. Magandang mga kalinigo, ingat kayo yan. May kong ano pong 15-1 Toto. Ito na, 15-1 Toto ngayong araw ng Lunes, Pitsa 9. Ngayong umaga, 10 to 24 na west-northwest topic. Mamayang alas 5 ng hapon hanggang gabi, 20 to 42 na southwest 2 to 3 feet. Paumaga, bukas. Alas 2 ng madaling araw hanggang alas 5 ng umaga, 22 to 40 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Tanghali, bukas hanggang gabi, 21 to 40 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet pa rin. Sa Miyerkules, Pitsa 11, 15 to 33 na northwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 12, Huwebes, 15 to 35 na north-northeast, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 13, Biyernes, 10 to 21 na northwest sa umaga, mag-southwest sa hapon na 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 14, Sabado, 15 to 31 na southwest, 5 feet. Pitsa 15, Linggo, 15 to 30 na northwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 16, Lunes, 10 to 27 na northwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 17, Martes, ito na, 33 to 50 na southwest, 4 to 7 feet. At Pitsa 18, Miyerkules, 45 to 75 na southwest, 9 to 10 feet. Napapya may kumulo pong dyan sa 15-1 Toto. Kopya. Pitsa 17 pa magsisimula. Ito na, 16-1 Toto. Bantay! Sige, bantay. 16-1 Toto ngayong araw ng Lunes, Pitsa 9, 10 to 22 na west-northwest ngayong umaga. Tupik. Mamayang tanghali hanggang gabi, mag-southwest. Ganun pa rin, tupik pa rin. Bukas, Martes, Pitsa 10, 10 to 22 na southwest umaga, mag-northwest sa tanghali hanggang gabi na 2 to 3 feet. Petsa 11, Miyerkules, 15 to 34 na northwest, 3 to 4 feet. Yung 4 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 12, Huwebes, 17 to 35 na north-northeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 13, Biyernes, 10 to 28 na northeast sa umaga, mag-northwest sa hapon at 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 14, Sabado, 10 to 20 na west-northwest 5 feet. Petsa 15, Linggo, 10 to 23 na northwest 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 16, Lunes, 15 to 38 na northwest 4 feet. Petsa 17, Martes, 15 to 34 na northwest 4 to 7 feet. Yung 7 feet niya sa gabi. At petsa 18, Miyerkules, 45 to 72 na southwest 9 to 11 feet. Nakot yung mga video dyan sa 16, 1, 2, 3. Wala naman may kung sabi, ingat kayo dyan, ingat. Ito, 17, 1, 2, 3. 17, 1, 2, 3 ngayong araw ng Lunes, petsa 9, 5 to 18 na northwest sa ngayon, mag-southwest mamayang tanghali na 2 feet. Bukas, Martes, petsa 10, 10 to 28 na northwest, 2 to 3 feet. Petsa 11, Miyerkules, 15 to 35 na northwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 12, Huwebes, 15 to 33 na northeast, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 13, Biyernes, 10 to 27 na northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Petsa 14, Sabado, 5 to 15 na northwest, 5 to 6 feet. Petsa 15, Linggo, 10 to 26 na northeast, 5 feet. Petsa 16, Lunes, 15 to 35 na northwest, 4 feet. Petsa 17, Martes, 15 to 38 na northwest, 4 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa gabi. At petsa 18, Miyerkules, 45 to 67 na southwest, 10 to 11 feet. Nakopya para lang control dyan sa 17, 1, 2, 3. Kupay, maganda din. Ingat. Ito, pagong check boy, 12, 4, 6. Sige. Ngayong araw ng Lunes dyan, petsa 9, 17 to 35 na southwest, 4 feet. Bukas, Martes, petsa 10, 20 to 40 na southwest, 4 feet. Petsa 11, Miyerkules, 20 to 42 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 12, Huwebes, 15 to 38 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Petsa 13, Biyernes, 23 to 44 na west-northwest, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 6 feet niya sa gabi. Petsa 14, Sabado, 40 to 68, west-northwest, 6 to 10 feet. Yung 10 feet niya, alas 5 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Petsa 15, Linggo, 35 to 58 na west-northwest, 9 feet. Petsa 16, Lunes, 28 to 48 na west-northwest, 7 to 8 feet. Petsa 17, Martes, 27 to 43 na west-southwest, 6 to 7 feet. At pitsa 18, Miyerkules, 40 to 60 na southwest, 7 to 10 feet. Nakopya may kong chick boy dyan sa 12116. Ito. 13116. Ngayong araw ng Lunes, pitsa 9, 21 to 40 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Bukas, Martes, pitsa 10, 18 to 38 na southwest, 4 feet. Pitsa 11, Miyerkules, 15 to 34 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 12, Huwebes, 15 to 37 na southwest sa umaga. Sa tanghali hanggang gabi, mag-northwest na 3 feet. Pitsa 13, Biyernes, 17 to 35 na northwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 14, Sabado, 25 to 47 na west-northwest, 5 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 15, Linggo, 27 to 44 na west-northwest, 8 feet. Pitsa 16, Lunes, 15 to 36 na west-northwest, 6 to 7 feet. Pitsa 17, Martes, 18 to 36 na west-southwest, 5 to 6 feet. At pitsa 18, Miyerkules, 30 to 50 na southwest, 6 to 8 feet. Nakopya amigo dito sa 13116. Wala naman amigo, ingat ka dyan at magandang magaling. 118, ngayong araw ng Lunes, pitsa 9, 15 to 30 na southwest, 3 feet. Bukas, Martes, pitsa 10, 15 to 36 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 11, Miyerkules, 15 to 38 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 12, Huwebes, 20 to 40 na west-northwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 13, Biyernes, 25 to 45 na west-northwest, 4 to 6 feet. Yung 6 feet niya sa gabi. Pitsa 14, Sabado, sa umaga, 33 to 51 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. Sa tanghali hanggang gabi, 45 to 70 na southwest, 8 to 11 feet. Pitsa 15, Linggo, 42 to 60 na southwest, 9 to 10 feet. Pitsa 16, Lunes, 32 to 50 na southwest, 7 to 9 feet. Pitsa 17, Martes, 30 to 50 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. At pitsa 18, Miyerkules, 40 to 65 na southwest, 8 to 10 feet. Nakopya dito sa 12118. Wala naman ikaw, ingat, magandang umaga. Ito, paring kubat, 07128, ngayong araw ng Lunes, pitsa 9, 15 to 30 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Pitsa 10, Martes, 10 to 28 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 11, Miyerkules, 15 to 38 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Yung 4 feet niya, alas 10 ng umaga mag-umpisa. Pitsa 12, Huwebes, sa umaga hanggang tanghali, 30 to 54 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Alas 2 ng hapon hanggang gabi, 41 to 62 na southwest, 7 to 9 feet. Pitsa 13, Biyernes, 45 to 70 na southwest, 10 to 11 feet. Pitsa 14, Sabado, 40 to 63 na southwest, 8 to 10 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa gabi pa yun. Pitsa 15, linggo. 36 to 52 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 16, martes, 36 to 53 na southwest, 7 feet. Pitsa 17, martes, 35 to 53 na southwest, 6 to 7 feet. At pitsa 18, Miyerkules, 21 to 41 na southeast, 4 to 5 feet na lang din. Nakopya pa rin gubat dyan sa 07, 1 to 8. Sige, alam na, pa rin gubat. Ingat, ingat. Lalakas na dyan, pitsa 12. Okay pa, Cardo, 13 to 5. O ngayong araw ng Lunes, pitsa 9. 10 to 28 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Yung 3 feet niya, mamayang gabi pa. Bukas, pitsa 10, martes, 18 to 38 na southwest, 3 feet. Pitsa 11, Miyerkules, 21 to 48 na northwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pitsa 12, Huwebes, 20 to 41 na northwest, 4 feet. Pitsa 13, Biyernes, 22 to 42 na west, southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitsa 14, Sabado, 40 to 66 na southwest, 6 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa hapon mag-umpisa. Pitsa 15, Linggo, 40 to 64 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. Pitsa 16, Lunes, 35 to 55 na southwest, 5 to 7 feet. Pitsa 17, Martes, 45 to 70 na southwest, 6 to 9 feet. Yung 9 feet niya sa gabi. At pitsa 18, Miyerkules, 45 to 71 na southwest, 7 to 9 feet. Napapiyami kong kardo dyan sa 13, 1 to 5. Sige, sige. Wala ka naman bigong kardo. Maray na aga. Ingat niya.